Here's what is closed on Juneteenth, June 19th, to observe the newest federal holiday. As Americans mark Juneteenth, a day that commemorates the end of slavery in the U.S., they should also be aware of the closings associated with the federal holiday. Those include a day off for financial markets. The June 19th holiday marks the day in 1865 on which federal troops came to Galveston, Texas, to free enslaved black people in the state, almost 21/2 of a year after President Abraham Lincoln signed the Emancipation Proclamation, on January 1, 1863. Not every state put an end to slavery following the signing. Juneteenth has been observed in black communities since as far back as the 19th century, and it became a Texas state holiday in 1980. Other states followed suit, and eventually, in 2021, President Joe Biden signed legislation making Juneteenth the 12th federal holiday. This is a day of profound weight and profound power, a day in which we remember the moral stain, the terrible toll that slavery took on the country and continues to take, Biden said at the time. The following are some details about what will be closed on Juneteenth. Is the stock market open on Juneteenth? The New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ are closed today, June 19th, as are U.S. bond markets. Trading will resume on the morning of June 20th and follow normal hours of operation. Are post offices closed, and do UPS and FedEx deliver on Juneteenth? The U.S. Postal Service will not deliver mail on Thursday. However, FedEx, FDX, will be operating on a normal schedule, as will UPS. Are banks open on Juneteenth? Banks are generally closed, but you can still use an ATM or your banking app. Are government offices open? Since Juneteenth is a federal holiday, all non-essential federal government offices are closed. The same generally applies to state government offices, but it's a good idea to check in case you might be planning to book an appointment at a DMV location or conduct other state-related business elsewhere. Are schools open? Schools are typically closed on Juneteenth, but it's always best to check with your local school or district.